Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the YES token. Now the YES token, the name of the token is YES, ticker symbol is also YES. The profile picture or avatar for the token there is the Chad, is the picture of the Chad. So they also call this the YES Chad token or just the YES token. And this token, it was just announced, is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting today, February 8th. We're going to go over the information on the YES token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this is an ERC20 token. Their web page is yestoken.xyz. There is a total supply of 85,000 tokens. Now, that is actually a very small amount of tokens for, especially meme coins these days that could have up to, 2 quintillion tokens. 85,000 is a small amount. Name of the token is YES. Ticker symbol is also YES. And this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing. Starting today. They got listed February 8th at 5 o'clock UTC time on a central exchange called Poloniex. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a Poloniex account, all you would have to do is download Poloniex from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT. Go into the trade section and search YES, and then simply just buy the token. Now you can find this token on Etherscan, and on their ticker symbols YES, name of the tokens YES. And for some reason it says here total supply is 100,000 tokens, so I don't know which one. Poloniex is obviously incorrect. Poloniex here said it was 85,000, but their actual ticker symbol says 100,000. So that's strange that they got that wrong there. Now, yeah, it says max total supply, so there can never be more here. It says, so maybe they're doing some burning because there's a little exclamation point besides their total supply on Etherscan, and it says submit the token burn details to us if you are a project owner. So it looks like maybe they're doing some burning. But yeah, it hasn't registered yet on Etherscan. Now, they're actually up 91.54% today, according to their Etherscan. Since there's a small amount of tokens, usually the smaller, and this is not always, but usually the smaller token supply tokens have a bigger price. If it's 420 quadrillion tokens, the price will be like 0.000000017 USDT or something like that. So the token price for this token is $59.85 per token. And that is basically 0.024644 ETH. And it's up 91.54% today. Maybe that's because of this brand new central exchange listing. It says fully diluted market cap is $5,985,000. There's 18 decimal places on this token. And right now there's 2,303 holders, so they're doing very well. 22,587 transfers, Token holder amount is up 13.3% today. So you could get this token in a decentralized way by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, going into the dApps, finding Uniswap, and then trading your Ethereum for the Yes token using the contract address that you can find on their webpage, yeschadcrypto.com. Now, you may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, so just be aware of that. Now, it says, this project represents a groundbreaking NFT initiative inspired by a widely recognized Yeschad meme. However, Yes transcends the confines of a typical meme coin. It fosters a complete meme economy, with the Yes token being the pivotal element driving multiple products. So what is an MFT? So MFT stands for Meme Fungible Token, a token that combines both ERC20s and NFTs. We use the ERC 1155 standard. So this is the meme NFTs, and it says that they have burned 18,000 tokens so far. So that doesn't even match up with the. Then it should be 82,000 tokens. So even then the Poloniex amount is wrong there, but whatever. So it says Yes token is essential to bridge an NFT. So that's the use case if you want to get some NFTs there. And right on their webpage, yeschadcrypto.com, it shows you how much Yes tokens you could trade for an NFT or MFT here. You can connect your wallet right on the page, your Trust wallet, your MetaMask wallet. This is if you want to get an MFT. And then they also have a link to their Telegram on here at Yes MFT Portal. A link to their Twitter, Yes MFT. They are listed on CoinGecko, it says here, and they have a DEX Tools chart. So this project is all about the MFTs. Now on DEX Tools, you can see that they have $407,000 in locked liquidity. On Uniswap V2 pool, it says their market cap is $6.64 million. 24-hour trading volume right now is $8.69 million. That's a lot for 24 hours. And they have 4 alerts on their audit. So just be aware that DEX Tools has quick audits on there. And it says here, contract is verified, no honeypot, no buy and sell tax, no proxy contract, no mintable tokens. If we scroll down, though, it says there is an external call risk, anti-whale mechanism, and trading cooldown warnings, and then other risk warnings. So check out their quick audits. They're not full audits, so keep that in mind. But there is a couple warnings on there. You can see the chart on DEX Tools. You can see the chart on CoinGecko. And you can find this token newly listed on Poloniex. So go check out Poloniex as well. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or what? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.